Hey, this is Jason from Eagle's Nest Berry Farm. Over the last couple weekends, we built a trebuchet to launch pumpkins this fall, and we filmed the process. Here's what we did. I started off watching YouTube videos and reading everything I could find on building a trebuchet, and I came across virtualtrebuchet.com. It's a website that allows you to plug in your dimensions and the mass of your counterweight, and it simulates how far it'll throw your payload. I played around with it until I got the results that I wanted, and then I drew up the base in SketchUp. We were waiting on some offcuts from a deck project that was being built simultaneously, so we got organized and started cutting out all the parts that we could. The long piece will be a sled that the sling will ride on, and the short pieces will be part of the basket that'll hold the counterweight. The bosses stopped by around lunchtime and were pleased with our progress. We're using 50-pound bags of river rock for counterweight, so we had a rough idea how big the container needed to be to hold them. We glued and screwed the parts together for added stability and used tight bond 2 for water resistance. Empty, this thing weighs about 80 pounds, and our max load will be 6 bags of river rock for a total of roughly 380 pounds of counterweight. We finally had the counterweight built, and it was break time. The next weekend we had got a hold of the rest of the lumber for the base, so we started by cutting the long supports to length. We fastened the middle supports using 6-inch structural screws. We centered and squared up the upright, fastened it, and then installed diagonal cross bracing. That ain't going nowhere. Neither of us had thought to drill the holes for the swing arm supports, so we climbed up and drilled them in place. Next, we installed the front to back cross bracing on each upright. Uncle Chuck stopped in to check plumb. Here Steven's drilling some holes and a couple extra support pieces for the swing arm. I fastened the sled to the base, and at that point, all of the framing was finished.
Go ahead. Freaking awesome.
I made the pouch to hold the pumpkins out of a tote bag and some Harbor Freight grommets. For the wheels, I used some 2x12 blocks and a circle jig with the router to cut them out. I finished the cut with a jigsaw and then cleaned it up with a flush trim bit. At the drill press, I drilled out the center hole for the axle. A quick round over to keep it from splintering, and I had a wheel. One down, 7 more to go. We ran some less than successful tests with a volleyball before someone suggested we use something a little heavier. Alright, 3, 2, 1. That's a lot of weight on that dude.
I wish I was sitting right next to that junk. I want to get splattered.
3, 2, 1.
You see another piece of it?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh my goodness. Oh, the other half is over there?
Yeah, it's over here. The other one's right over here.
Where did it land?
Hold on.
Like right here. Like you can I pick it up? Where it's split at the bottom. Can I pick it up?
Mm-hmm.
Be careful.
Is it right like about here?
Let me see inside.
Gross.
Put it on your head.
Eat it.
Put it on your head. Yeah.
Eat it.